What's up guys, in today's video let's talk about this whey protein. Is it really safe to take this or not? Everything we'll be talking about in today's video, so stay tuned. So let's talk about how whey is made in the first place, from where whey is extracted. Whey is extracted from milk. So when milk is curdled, it forms into two layers, one is solid and one is liquid. So we lift out the solid part. From the liquid part it comes the whey protein. However, along with the whey there are other nutrients in the liquid form, which is like lactose, some other nutrients which is available in the milk, some other little form of carbs. This is what is available apart from the whey protein in that liquid portion. So now the liquid is dried up through the evaporation towers and it becomes a powder, and that powder is what we are using as whey protein. So the next question is it safe to take whey protein? Is it like some form of steroids? No. Is it totally safe to take whey protein? Many people can get protein from their daily intake. However, there are some people who can't get enough from the diet. This is where the whey protein comes in. So don't worry, it is totally safe to take whey protein. Even I have this idea before some 4, 5, 6 years back. If I take this whey protein powder, I thought I'll become like bodybuilders, like big, huge muscles. No, you can't. That is not possible without some form of steroids, which is loaded testosterone. But however, in this case, this is just whey protein powder. It is totally safe to take. I've spoken before also, the average requirement for protein for a sedentary human being is 50 to 60 grams for everyone. Even if you are not going to gym, you need this amount of protein. So if you can't get this much protein, this is where the whey protein powder comes in, because you can't get enough everything from the food. So why do we need protein exactly? Proteins are the building blocks of your tissues, your muscles, your hair, your nails. They are the building block of your skin also. They are a building block of your blood cells also. So it is very essential. So there are 5 functions, 5 important functions which protein actually do. Number 1, building tissues and muscles. Number 2, hormone production. Number 3, enzyme production. Number 4, immune function. Number 5 in the list, it also gives you energy. So there are 3 kinds of whey protein powder. Number 1 is whey protein concentrate. Number 2 is whey protein isolates. And number 3 is hydrolyzed whey protein. And this protein right here where I am holding, it's whey isolates. It is written here, see, whey protein isolates. Above 3 mentioned whey protein types of whey protein powder is almost same. It differentiates on their filtration mode. It depends on how much filtered the protein is, and also it depends how much protein in that. Number 1, whey protein concentrate is just obtained by evaporating the liquid form, and it also turns a powder. That is what we are using as whey protein concentrate. That is the first one. This does not involve any complex process. That's it. Once it is evaporated, powder we get, that is whey protein concentrate. There is no more complex process after that. Number 2, whey protein isolates, which I have shown in my protein powder, that is more filtered than the whey protein concentrate. But here in this whey protein, all traces of carbohydrate, all traces of fats are removed almost. Even if these carbs are also there, it is very less in minimal quantity. Obviously, this is the purest form of whey protein. It tastes exactly like how the protein taste should be. And the protein content in this whey protein isolates is 91% protein you will get from just one scoop. Finally, number 3, whey protein hydrolyzed whey protein. Compared to the other two, this hydrolyzed whey protein doesn't need to do any work. As soon as you take after workout, it just enters directly to the muscle stream. And the protein quantity is 95% protein in one scoop of that. Here's the scoop I'm talking about. This kind of scoop one will be there in the box. Only problem is the most expensive than the other two. Whey protein concentrate price will be here, isolate price will be here, hydrolyzed price will be here. I have explained quickly all what types of whey proteins are there, but today's video is all about unboxing of this whey protein isolates, which is the best protein in the Indian market. This is the best protein in the Indian market. It is a little bit on the expensive side, but it is worth the price. On Optimum Nutrition. So basically this is an American product. It is imported here in India. With all the taxes and all, price is a little bit on the higher side. I'm not trying to promote the product here. I'm just telling from my own experience, because this is the best product I have used. Price which we paid for, it's worth the price. You can definitely see the results. But do we really need this product? The answer is yes and no. If you are just happy with some amount of lean muscle mass and you can get enough protein from your diet, you don't need this. But if you can't get enough from your diet, you definitely need this. And I want to tell one more thing, because there are so many scammers in the Indian market, in this protein industry, in this fitness industry. One bit of advice: when you are buying this product, make sure it is authentic. You can check the product is genuine or not. I'll show you my screen recording. Okay, the right side where I'm circling is the barcode and the left side where I'm circling is the scratch code. All you need to do is download a QR code from your store, then scan the QR code. It will directly go to that Bright Accommodates website. Then you have to enter what you have to enter: your name, your email, your phone number, your city. Then you have to enter the scratch code which I have shown you, that left circle before in that picture I have shown you. So once you have entered all this, then you can click that option check now. So as you can see, my product is already verified. So that's it basically from me today. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and comment down below what you think of this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.